And Plotly has an overwhelming number of charts. I'm just going to run through and show you a gallery on the Plotly website of all the different things that Plotly can do. And then we'll go a little deeper on just the basic ones today. So it has different categories under basic charts. And some of these might not feel so basic, right? So these are some of the ones that we're used to seeing, bar charts and line charts and scatter plots maybe. But it's got bubble charts, and we've got Gantt charts and what's called a sunburst chart, which is really interesting. But notice that these little animations are showing all of the different ways that you can interact with these things. So a Sankey diagram, which shows different combinations of data and how different data combine and separate over periods of time. Really interesting stuff. Most of us, myself included, are not that deep into data where we understand all of these, even the basic charts. But wait, there's more. So we've got statistical charts. So error bars, box plots, histograms, 2D histograms, violin plots. Some of these you may have seen in stats classes before. So we've got these scatterplot matrix. This should look kind of familiar because we used a scatterplot matrix just the other day to look at data. But wait, there's more. We have contour plots, heat maps, so many different things. I don't understand how to use the vast majority of these. I will be honest. I am not that deep into data and data science, but they look cool. These radar charts that can show different things like this. There's some really, really interesting stuff. And you can do financial charts that show money related issues. You can do maps, right? Plotly can actually create interactive maps. So it's an election year, so you're going to see a lot of interactive maps, right? Where they show like how many voters in each county voted for each candidate and that sort of thing. You can actually create those kind of interactive maps where you can zoom in and zoom out and all that stuff. Really cool stuff. And then finally, the coolest looking ones, you can create three-dimensional charts that you can actually rotate and interact with. So there's so much going on here. It's really amazing. But creating these things is not really that tough because Plotly does a great job of making it easier for us.